Okay, my name is Deirdre Davenport. I'm 57 years old and I work for local government. My teeth were totally discoloured. I had a lot of treatment as a child. I had 4 teeth at the top taken out and 2 at the bottom because my teeth were very large. I had lots of dental treatment as a child with crowns, which lasted 30, 40 years, but unfortunately they fell out. So I was becoming toothless, didn't really want to smile, didn't want to show people my teeth, and because they were breaking and things like that. Also, I always had trouble, toothache, misery with toothache, and it was always just before I was due to go on holiday. Chose Sanford Practice on the recommendation of my hairdresser, colleagues that I worked with. My husband came here. And everybody said what a wonderful practice it was. I thought I was going to have sort of 6 to 8 months worth of pain, and it's been nothing like that at all. And I think for somebody that's afraid of the dentist, come to the Sanford. You won't be any longer. I feel absolutely wonderful about my teeth. I'm so pleased with them. I'm thrilled that my husband loves them. Everybody has complimented me, and I think because they look so natural and they're age appropriate, nobody knows that I've had the dental work. So it just looks like I've got good teeth, which is what I wanted. My new teeth give me the confidence. I'm happy with myself. I can eat anything without having the thought of my teeth falling out, or toothache without having toothache. So it's remarkable. It has changed my life. All the team have been absolutely amazing at the Sanford. Dr. Shaffie, Sam, Billy the receptionist, just made you feel so welcome every time you came in here. And the team have just been wonderful, wonderful experience. What advice would I give to other people thinking of having treatment? I would say come and get it done. It is life-changing. It's really easy. It was simple. Everything about the treatment here, not having to wait, getting into the dentist, seeing the receptionist when I came in, always laughing and smiling, just put you at rest. It was a real wonderful experience, and I would recommend anyone, especially people that are afraid of dentists, come to the Sanford.